Magiging Gabi, candidate number 6. Please pick a question. Here's your question. What are some important social issues you believe should be addressed in our society today?
The most important social issue that we should address in our society today is healthcare. Because as a healthcare student, I've seen a senior citizen in a hospital where nurses are only limited, and he has a wound on his foot, and he waited for a long hours to just be treated, but he was so very exhausted of waiting, so he lay without his wound treated. And that moment stayed with me, realizing that healthcare is not that really improving in our country, which is the Philippines. And as a healthcare student, I will use this voice to encourage the politicians that have been here today to please improve our healthcare system, because health is the best thing we can have living in here to make our dreams, to be with our family. That is the important core of being existed in our world, to be appreciated, our health, because our health is a core values of us, to be with our loved ones, to be with our friends, and to be with our community and be present to them. Thank you, Magdalena.
Thank you very much, candidate number 6.
Good evening, candidate number 6.
Good evening.
Alright, so here is your final question. If you won't be fortunate enough to be crowned as Linay Kanghurugyao 2026, will you still continue to serve your community? If so, how do you intend to do it?
Magdalena is a gentle yet inspiring presence, like a soft lullaby of their people's voices. If I will be fortunate to win as Linay Kanghurugyao, I will continue to share stories of how it started. That's why I immerse myself to the history of Barangay Magdalena, and knowing a story about a miraculous woman who warned the pirates not to harm the people living here. And that woman is Magdalena. And like her, I embody the same spirit na may kinaadman, amuma kag amila, to have wisdom in purpose, care in action, and miraculous encourage the community, and to uplift the barrio. And just as the mountain meets the sea, I will be the torch of hope and unity of Barangay Magdalena, and to continue to serve this community as I will reign to be your Linay Kanghurugyao. Thank you very much, Magdalena.
Thank you very much, candidate number 6.